Have you got your item?
No, 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 man, I'm coming.
Oh, no, no, man.
No, get it, bro.
No, man. I'm trying to get the portal, but your item, mate.
Get it. Don't let it go.
No, we're not going anywhere.
Oh,
Look
right.
at it.
Wait, I'm coming.
So bullshit.
Oh god. Oh god, what's it gonna be? What? 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 Oh, what? Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? For real? For fucking real? Like, hello? Like, what? Like, uh, 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 Sick. Yeah, continue. Let's go.
Can you not jump and press here, mate?
No, no, man. It's like miles away. One sec, I'll try and... No, it's miles away. That's crazy.
If you could jump on this.
You'd be sorted.
Do that, mate.
One sec, on. Oh, yeah. I know where you're at.
Try that.
How the fuck do you get on there? How did you get? Did you actually get onto it then?
Yeah.
Damn, man.
You jump on there first.
Oh, nice. Didn't see that little part there. Nice. Right, okay. Oh, it could be done.
There you go for it then. You got time. Oh, we don't technically. We're already in halfway through the video. But you don't.
Ah!
You just see you. Don't press it.
I know, man. That's what I'm thinking as well. Like, gotta press it once if I'm getting close. Oh my god, I can't get fucking nuts right now.
I'm gonna get ready to just fucking emergency go.
Yeah, man, I think it's gonna have to be the case at this rate. Ah!
I just go to jump towards it and just mash E to try and collect it,
Okay.
rather than trying to jump on.
Oh my god, give me a fucking break.
Stop jumping to the side, man.
Ah! No! It's not happening. Oh, it would have been great if you got it then.
Try to get the boost rather than just the run.
Ah. No.
Ah man, yeah, that can be done, that can be done yet. Ah, fuck, I double tipped it instead of clicking one tip on it. Get on, go as far back as you can, and then you have to run first, then tap dash, otherwise you don't dash.
Oh my days. You try it.
Ah, fuck it, I give up. Feels so bad, man.
Yeah, let's go. Oh man, it looks so close.
I wasn't looking up at it though then either.
Oh man, that looks seriously close.
I'm looking up loads, it's difficult for me to get my foot in.
try.
That looks so close then as well.
Gotta believe, man.
Yeah, right.
Gotta believe.
That's fucking turret gun in my hands.
Too much you gotta like stand on the top of the turret gun. You know what I mean? Place it on the top and then boom.
Yeah, I know, they get a little bit of extra height.
Wait, can we boost ourselves? You ever see jump on it?
Oh, no, 1 second. Jump too early. No. Oh, wait.
Oh.
Maybe.
Yeah, no, yeah, you are.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay. Yeah. Yes, we're feeling it. We're feeling it right. Okay, hold on. How am I doing this right? I'm just gonna go for the jump on the thing.
Yeah, jump across. Just there.
Oh, no! Okay. Right. Think I can get the... Oh, no. Yeah, he's right. See if we can get the running jump on somehow.
I'm so excited now.
You got this. Yes! Let's go! Let's... Just...
Yeah!
Come on!